Hi everyone, welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and today we're making the best French onion dip. It's my hell of a good dip, Copycat. It's super easy to make and perfect for any party. So let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. To our mortar and pestle, we'll add 1 beef cube, 6 teaspoons of onion flakes, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of MSG.
I'm using MSG just to boost up the flavor, but if you don't like it, you don't have to add it.
Half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're just going to blend this all together.
This spice mix is so versatile. You can use it with this dip, or I like to chuck it in with a pot roast in a slow cooker and it adds so much flavor. And you can even play around with the flavors by using different flavored stock cubes.
We're going to add a few teaspoons of our seasoning mix to 300 milliliters of full-fat sour cream. We'll start with 2 and taste as we go. We're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of gelatin. This really helps to firm it up and give it that hell of a good dip consistency. This is an optional ingredient as well. Stir until all of your seasoning has been completely combined into your sour cream.
That looks just about the right color. Let's give it a little taste and see if it needs more seasoning. Just a tiny bit more, maybe half a teaspoon. Perfect. We're going to chill this in the fridge for about an hour to let those flavors really come together, but you can make it up to 2 days in advance.
Serve it up with your favorite veggies, or I especially love it with ruffled chips.
If you're looking for another great party appetizer, check out my butter board. And if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.